Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 2. Hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher and I am continue my third lecture with our new topic of the chapter 1, that is place value. Alright? Okay, grade 2. What is the place value? Place value means to define value to the numbers. Okay, like the 2 digits number, like the 3 digits number. At this level you have mostly 2 or 3 digits number. Okay, you can see the example A, you can see the question A and example A on page number 4. I continue my lecture with the page number 4. Alright, part A is 110 and 3 ones. All of you can see grade 2. There is a group of color with there is a bunch of colors, and in this bunch there is 10 colors. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. There are 10 color in this box or in this bunch, and there are single pencils, and there are 3 single pencils in this total whole scenario. So you can see there are 10 color pencils in this box and 3 single pencils in this whole scenario. So you can see denote the box with 110 and the single pencils with 3 ones. So you can see the total of 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So you can write place value of 13 is T and O, like 1 on the place of tens and 3 on the place of ones. Similarly, if you can see parts B, you can see there are 2 box of color. One box contain 10 colors, mean one box denote 110 and the other box denote 210, like the whole of total denote 2 tens. Alright, similarly, if you can see there are the number of pencils, there are 6 number of pencils, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you can see and count, there are 6 ones. So you can see there are 2 tens and 6 ones, the total of 26 pencils in this whole scenario. If you can see part C, so you also see there are two color box. One box contain 10 pencils, another box also contains 2, another box also contains 10 pencils. So 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. So we write 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Alright, and there are 2 single pencils, so we can see there are 2 ones. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Alright, similarly you can see part D. If you can see part D, you can see there are 4 box of colors. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. There are 4 box of colors. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 40. Like 40, you can say 4 tens, and there are 1 2 3 4 single pencils, you can see 4 ones. So you can see 40 plus 4, which is equal to 44. Yeah, that's mean 4 tens and 4 ones. Alright, grade 2, I think and I hope you all are understand the concept of place value in the 2 digit number. You understand the concept of tens, and you also understand the concept of ones. So if I move part E, you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 pencil box. Okay, 6 color box which contains 10 pencils. If you can see first box, you can write 10, you can write 10 there, you can write 10 there, also 10 10 and 10. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 60 pencils in this 6 color box, and you can write 60 as 6 tens. 60 means 6 tens. Okay, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 single pencils, so you can write 6 ones. Alright, so which is 6 tens and 6 ones is equal to 66 total colors. Okay, so if you can see part F, you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 color box in this whole scenario. Okay, so you can write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, so which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to 5 tens. So you can write 5 tens as 50, so you can write 50 as 5 tens, and also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And you can see also there are 9 single pencil in this whole scenario. So you can write 9 ones. So 5 tens and 9 ones, which becomes 59 pencils in this whole scenario. So you can, so all of you guys, you can see, um, you can see in these all parts and in this and in this all scenario, you can see there are 2-digit number. We can see at part A we see the number of 13 which have 2 digit. At part B we see the number of 26 which have also 2 digit. At part C we have see the number of 22 which have 2 digits. Like tens is denote to 20 and ones is denote to 2. 20 plus 2 which is equal to 22. If you can see part D, we can see there are 44 color pencils. So you can see 40 denote to tens. 4 tens, 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. So similarly, if you can see part E and F, you can also see there are 2-digit number which is 66 and 59. 66 is the mixture of 60 plus 6. So 60 denote tens and 6 denote ones. If you can see part F, you can see there are 59 pencils in this whole scenario. So you can see it is a mixture of 50 plus 9. So 50 denote the 10 and 9 denote the ones. So I hope you all understand the concept of place value, and all of you familiar with the number of tens and with the number of ones in the whole figures and in the whole scenario. All right. Okay, grade 2. We have covered our 3 topics in the 3 lecture. The first topic is related to number before, after and between. What number occur before, after and between. In the second lecture we cover with the ascending and descending order, and in the third lecture I cover the topic of place value. Hope you all understand. In our next class I also discuss the topic of place value in the different scenarios. All right. So till their next class, so all of you take care yourself and do hard work, and also I am saying goodbye to everyone. All right.